Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No, not doing like that either. Bitch, get your fucking shit together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, I'll just be showing you guys how I get this look right here. This is my updated natural foundation routine that I do, my everyday look. I usually go with the gloss, but I wanted to do a lip matte, not a matte, I'm sorry. I wanted to do a cream lip, just something subtle, just to relax the view. I mean, just to relax the look a little bit. So yeah, all the items that I use are very affordable, pocket friendly. It's really detailed on what I use, why I'm using it, and how I feel about the products that I'm using in this video. So we're just gonna get right into it. I will see you guys at the end. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I'm doing my foundation routine is that I use primer. I have a travel size primer that I use because I wanted to try a bunch of different ones from Smashbox to see which one I liked best. But I do like the Smashbox, the original photo finish smooth and blur. So I just take that and I put it all over my face. I did do my eyebrows off camera. I do have videos on how to do my eyebrows. It's been the same routine for like the past year now. But my makeup routine is definitely different. My foundation routine and stuff is definitely different than what it was before. So I just, and then like on my Facebook, I've been getting like a lot of people complimenting my makeup. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I be doing. After I have primed all of my skin, I've let that sit in for a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Dermablend loose setting powder. This is what it looks like. This is the Dermablend loose setting powder, and I just take this and I put a light layer on my skin, just all over. This helps set my foundation in during these hot summer days. Just for me, I just feel like it just helps everything just sit where it's supposed to be. So then I just take one of these, just the one that it comes with or whatever, and I take it and I just go all over my skin with it. So next, I'm just taking my foundation and I am going to be using the Super Stay. Mine is all messed up, apologies. But the Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. I'm in the 360 Mocha, and it is a little light because this is like my winter shade and it's summertime, and I kind of been out here a little bit. I did go on vacation to Florida, so usually I'm a little bit darker in the summer, but it's kind of still doing what it's supposed to do. I don't put a lot on, I just dab it on with this, just a flat brush or whatever, and then I take my beauty blender and I blend it out. And the blending out part is the part that takes the longest. And I just bring my foundation down to about right here, because sometimes the neck and the jawline sometimes can be like a different color. So what I do is I just go like that a little bit and then blend it together like that, just so it's not like a harsh line of demarcation right there. So since now I have my foundation done, now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I have this in the color Deep, my favorite go-to. I love it, especially when I'm trying to be a baddie. I use this. And then go all the way around right there. a little bit right here. Kind of do like a V shape up here at the top between the eyebrows. And then I don't go all the way down with my nose. I just start like in the middle part of my nose and bring it down like that. And then I'm gonna take my smaller beauty blender and blend that out, and then we're gonna go in and add another layer, because me personally, I like a bright under eye. It's just my thing. I like a bright under eye. So blending takes time. Take your time, make sure that it's blended right. And don't worry, this line right here, it will be erased once I get all of this, because I don't want it to sit too long and then it sticks and dries. So okay, so once we have that first layer, then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I have this in Fawn, and then I'm just going to go right underneath the eye again. This is a little bit lighter than the deep, and I like using both of them just to give myself more of a beat face. Just right under there, not too much. And then we're going to blend that out. Once we have that all blended out, I'm going to be taking my loose setting powder and warm saffron from Dermablend, and then we're just going to bake before we contour. So what I do when I'm baking is I put it on and blend it in slightly so it sets in better. And what I like about this particular setting powder is it doesn't crack and it doesn't look ashy after you're done. Like, I noticed that like some of the powders that I would use had me looking ashy, and I did not like that at all. I just thought it looked like weird. And I go light on the chin area, not too much. And then also up here where I applied the concealer. And then we're just gonna do a line on the nose. Just a little line right there. So while that is setting in, I'm going to be doing my contour next, and I'm using I usually use a cream foundation from Black Radiance for my contour, but I can't find my contour stick and I need to order another one. So we're just gonna be going in with the True Complexion contour palette that they have, and instead of using this dark color, we're gonna use this Sculpt color. Okay, so this shade right here that's in the medium to dark is a very cool tone, it seemed like. This one in this palette for the Sculpt is very warm, and I personally have golden undertones, so I like working with warmer colored things. So this is warmer on my skin, so I like to use it. So just tap it in, dust off the excess, and then you're gonna just go right where your cheekbone is, just to give it the illusion that it's higher. Honestly, if you want your makeup to look good, you have to take your time. Unless you're like in a rush and you're really not like really concerned with how it looks. I don't know why I'm using my right hand, I like my left hand better. Then take your time doing your makeup. It's essential to look good and have your makeup popping. So circular motions around the forehead area. I'm using this like flat kind of brush, like it's like a flat brush, to do my contour. So what I do is I don't dab it in there like that. I kind of use this little side panel right here and just go like that, wipe off the excess, and then create a line going up the nose. But I want to show you guys something. So when you're doing your contour, like, of course you can see that line because I haven't blended it. I'm just creating that line right there. You want it to be as close to this line right here, these two little lines where your nostrils are. You want it to be close to that because you want the reason for contouring is to make your nose look smaller, blended. And I know it looks like super weird because I have the powder on, but that's all going to change in a little bit. Now I'm going to take my setting powder again just to define my contour a little bit more. I'm just going to add it right there. Bam. On each side, where just like that. So I'm still baking. I do bake for a minute. I do. So yeah. But while I'm baking, I'm going to apply my lashes and my eyeliner. I'm gonna just do that off camera because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do as far as lashes. So I'm gonna do that off of camera, and then once I'm done with that, I'll be back. Okay, so I have my lashes on. These lashes are from House of Lux. They are in the style Naomi. I love like the super dramatic lashes. It's just my cup of tea. So anyways, so we're just going to take our powder. We're going to take a finishing powder. I found a powder that I like. I'm still kind of new to powders. That's why it's my new updated routine, because I'm just now starting to use like powders to do this. So I use the Ruby Kisses mineral powder. I got this from my local beauty store and I really like it a lot. So I'm just gonna dab my brush in there, and I'm not gonna wipe it away. I'm just dabbing where the powder is. Once I have the powder on, now I'm gonna go in with blush. I love blush. I feel like just brings the look together, along with the highlighter and then the setting spray. It just brings everything together. So I'm using my big blush from Black Radiance. It's called Brick House. This is how it looks. And I'm just gonna use my, I don't know if this is even a blush brush, but I'm using a blush brush. That's what I'm calling it. And I go heavy with the blush because throughout the day it fades. It's the first thing to fade. So I'm smiling where I'm putting the blush at, because you know, you're blushing is meant to, you know, whatever. And then I do like put a little on my nose. I don't know why, but I just do. It's just like something I just do. Now we're just gonna go in with I think I'm gonna do my lip next. I didn't know what I was gonna do as far as my lip. So for my lip, I'm not going to do a lip gloss. I'm just gonna use this lipstick I got from Milani from the Salt and Pepper collab. It's called Shoop. That focus in. So this is called Shoop in 27. This is what it looks like. Bam. Okay, so I'm gonna use a lip liner, and this lip liner is from NYX. It's called Downtown Beauty. It's like a dark brown. I'm gonna sharpen this too. Okay, so now just a few final touches. I'm going to go in with my contour palette, my older one that I have. It's the same one, it's just the older one. And I'm going to use my highlight shade in there because this one's like gone. I'm gonna use the highlight shade in there to just do my highlight. I do circular motions for my highlight because I wanted to just like overall blend it better. Instead of just doing a line, I kind of like go a little overboard with it. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to do with this makeup look is that we're going to add our setting spray. I'm going to get my hair together, change, and then I will be right back. Oh, so setting powder. I mean setting spray. We're using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This stuff is like bomb AF. So yeah, we're just gonna spray that. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I didn't realize, but my ring light was like, something was wrong with my ring light. The cords were like tangled up and it made the video look really warm toned. But this is the final look, how it looks in just the natural cool tone ring light. Super cute, super easy. This is like my new foundation routine. Everything comes together very well, and it just comes together better. Everything's blended. It's going to last all day. Everything, just all the products that I used, everything just puts everything back together. So yeah, I did go and I changed my clothes. I have on these like baggy joggers with this jean jacket. I have it like buttoned up, something super simple and cute. I'm not going anywhere. I just might take some pictures or whatever. I have a review on this wig that I'm wearing right here, so I'm not sure, but I will leave that in the description box below if I remember to do it. And also yeah, so if you have any questions as far as like in-depth questions about what I did, you can comment down below. You can write me on Instagram, you can write me on Snapchat, whatever you want to do. You just hit me up on there or whatever. If you want like a more detailed video on a certain part of this video that I had, let me know as well. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.